Welcome to Eggy Pal Edu. I hope this helps learners learn and educators teach better. Last time we learned 100 minus 10. Minus 10 changes the 10's place. Let's try again. 100 minus 10 equals 90. 90 minus 10 equals 80. 80 minus 10 equals 70. 70 minus 10 equals 60. 60 minus 10 equals 50. 50 minus 10 equals 40. 40 minus 10 equals 30. 30 minus 10 equals 20. 20 minus 10 equals 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Good work! Today we will learn 100 minus 9. What is 100 minus 9? 100 equals 90 plus 10, and 10 minus 9 equals 1. Remember, 100 minus 9 equals 100 minus 9. 100 minus 9 equals 90 plus 10 minus 9. Look at the red 10 minus 9. 100 minus 9 equals 90 plus 1. What is 90 plus 1? Yes, 91! 100 minus 9 equals 91. 100 minus 9 equals 91. 100 minus 9 equals 91. Let's try one more. What is 90 minus 9? 90 equals 80 plus 10, and 10 minus 9 equals 1. Remember, 90 minus 9 equals 90 minus 9. 90 minus 9 equals 80 plus 10 minus 9. Look at the red 10 minus 9. 90 minus 9 equals 80 plus 1. What is 80 plus 1? Yes, 81. 90 minus 9 equals 81. 90 minus 9 equals 81. 90 minus 9 equals 81. Do you see a pattern? 100 minus 9 equals 91. 90 minus 9 equals 81. 80 minus 9 equals 71. 70 minus 9 equals 61. 60 minus 9 equals 51. 50 minus 9 equals 41. 40 minus 9 equals 31. 30 minus 9 equals 21. 20 minus 9 equals 11. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Great job! Minus 9 means minus 10, then plus 1. Next time, we will learn 100 minus 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Remember, you will need this next time. This video builds mathematical structure. But motivation and curiosity come from great teaching. That part belongs to you. See you next time. Bye-bye.